Hi, I'm Danielle from Pachavega.
Hi, I'm Monica, the Cacao Fairy.
And we are super excited to invite you to our next Healing Superfoods and Culinary Arts Retreat on the island of Ometepe.
Yeah, it's Wanderlust Utopia, a little paradise inside the islands where we'll be using the organic food that's grown there to learn how to make delicious foods using the local ingredients.
Yeah, like lemongrass and oregano,
Coconut yogurts.
chop our own coconuts from the trees that grow right outside the kitchen.
Yeah, you get to make a kimchi that you take home with you and can share with all your lovely family friends.
We're gonna make an incredible cashew cheesecake with chocolate from the island.
And then we'll also be doing daily yoga. We're gonna do a laughter journey, which is learning how to use laughter as a therapeutic tool and how to cultivate joy through intentional play. And we'll also be having a beautiful sound bath and a cacao ceremony.
Yeah, it's gonna be really amazing, like over the moon beautiful with so much love and attention and care, and the food is really out of this world. It's gonna be nutrient dense food that fuels your cells and fills you from the inside out with food right from the place we're standing. So it's pretty amazing, and yeah, we invite you to come to the next one.
Yeah, come enjoy and learn how to use all these delicious, abundant food that's growing around us, everything plant-based and super delicious and healthy.
Yay, see you then!
Hi, my name is Kiana and I just attended the Healing Superfoods and Culinary Arts Retreat and I had a wonderful time. Danielle and Monica had so much knowledge to share. We learned things like how to make kimchi, lacto-fermented vegetables. We made a bunch of different types of sauces to showcase how you're able to bring vegetables to life with different textures and colors and flavors. And all the food was super delicious and very abundant and using all local ingredients, which was really cool because I learned how to use a lot of ingredients that I'd never heard of before or I'd only seen in powdered form and not fresh, so that was really interesting. The place here was also so beautiful. We have a nice view of the lake and you can wake up to yoga in the morning with a beautiful breeze and view, and the rooms were great, nice and cozy and very peaceful at night. And the whole place here is just gorgeous. You can swim in the pool and all the plants around you, you can eat most of them. So that's also really interesting to learn about all the cool things that this place has to offer. I would really recommend if you're interested in vegan cooking or even just learning about plants in general, especially the local plants that are growing in Nicaragua and how you can use them for your life to enhance your meals, to get more fiber into your diet, and to learn about all the different ways that so many ingredients that people often might cast aside can really be showcased and celebrated and consumed, and they're very delicious.